So for today's activity, I will demonstrate the proper procedures for plotting and determining the target details using a maneuvering board. So this is the scenario. You are the officer on watch on board MVCAC on course 0 to 5 degrees true with a speed of 12 knots. You observe a target on your radar at 1200 Hotel bearing 045 degrees true at 9 nautical mile. At 1206, the same target bore 045 degrees true with 6.5 nautical mile. The target details to be completed. On-ship data, course, speed, and target data. The first target is what they call the R. It has a time, bearing, and range. And second target is what we call M. It has also a time, bearing, and range. And we have also a relative speed of the target, CPA, or what we call closest point of approach. M to CPA, or the range of from second target to your CPA. And BCPA, or the bearing of closest point of approach. TTC, or the target true course. TTS, target true speed. And we have also a target aspects, situation, and action to avoid collision. So you are the officer on watch on this vessel, the MVCAC, and on course of 025 degrees true. So dito po yung 025 degrees true, yung course po ng MVCAC natin with a speed of 12 knots. And you observe a target on your radar at 1200 Hotel bearing of 045 at 9 nautical miles. So dito po yung 45 degrees true and with a range of 9 nautical miles. So dito po yun. Ito po kasi yung mga 6-minute rule from 2 nautical mile, 3 nautical mile, 4 and so on. So dito po tayo sa 9 nautical mile. Dito po yung banda sa 045 degrees true. Ito po yung target 1. And at 1206, the same target bore of 045 degrees true with a range of 6.5 nautical miles. So because yung scale po natin ay 1:1. So ito po yung 1 nautical mile, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 6.5 po yung second target natin. Dito po yun banda. 6.5 with 5 degrees true. So dito 6.5 dito. Ayun po sa ating scales na 1:1. Ito yung second target natin. Next is we have to get the CPA, or the closest point of approach from your vessel to the target. So the closest point of approach is 00 degrees. And the distance of from your target to and to your ship is 6.5 nautical miles. And yung yung TCA po natin ay 1222. Ganito po yon yung 6.5 nautical miles. Dito po din sa distance in yards. And yung target true course is 80 knots. S yung speed in knots. So kaya 22. So 12 22 hundreds. Yung situation po natin is collision. And the action to avoid collision is, as per rule 16, give way vessel, I should alter my course to starboard to avoid collision.